In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can completely uninstall Discord from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to the search option, search over here setting. So you need to click on settings and it will open the setting, and here we need to go to the apps. Then here you can see install apps. So in the install apps, we need to search for Discord. So just write over here Discord, and then you can see we have the Discord over here. So we need to uninstall this. So in order to uninstall this, we need to click on three dot, click on uninstall, and click on uninstall again, and it will start uninstalling Discord. And there you can see Discord is removed from here. So right now we can just close this, and here you can see we still have the Discord icon, but don't worry about that. So right now we'll go to the our folder, and here we'll go to our local disk C, and in the local disk C we'll go to our user folder. Then we'll go to our user folder again, and here we need to look for a folder called app data. And if you do not see this folder called app data, you need to click on view, click on show, and here you can see hidden item, it is checked over here. So you need to make sure hidden items is checked, then you will see this app data folder. So you need to go inside this app data folder, and here you can see roaming. So in the roaming, here you will see a folder called Discord. So you need to delete this folder. After that, just go back, and here you can see in the app data folder we have the local folder. So we need to go inside this local folder, and here you will also find a folder called Discord. Here you can see. So we need to delete this folder as well, and Discord is removed. But here you can see the icon is still there. So for it, what you need to is that we need to go to the search option, then right over here Discord, and here you can see it is showing Discord app. So here you can see open file location. So we need to click here open file location, and here you can see we have a Discord file over here. So we need to delete this from here. So after deleting this, here we'll go at the top, and here you can see programs. So just click on programs, and here you can see Discord inc. So I'm going to delete this folder as well. So once you delete that, it means Discord is completely removed. So you can just delete this from here right now, and there you can see. So if you now just search for Discord, there you can see there is no Discord showing over here. So yeah, this is how you can completely remove Discord from your Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.